Welcome to Teach Yourself Something. Dating a Libra can be a delightful and harmonious experience. Libras are known for their charm, diplomacy, and desire for balance and harmony in all aspects of their lives. They are sociable and enjoy being around people, and they are often skilled at communication and able to see both sides of an argument. Here are a few things to keep in mind when dating a Libra. Libras value fairness and balance. They may have a strong sense of justice and may be hesitant to make decisions if they feel that the scales are not balanced. Libras are known for their charm and charisma. They enjoy socializing and may have a large group of friends. Libras can be indecisive at times, as they often weigh both sides of an argument before making a decision. They may need extra support and encouragement to make important decisions. Libras value aesthetics and may appreciate a well-decorated home or a well-planned date. They may also be interested in art, music, and other cultural activities. Libras are known for their diplomacy and ability to see both sides of an argument. They may be able to help mediate conflicts and find solutions that are fair to all parties involved. Libras can be sensitive and may need extra support and understanding when they are feeling overwhelmed or upset. Libras value relationships and may be willing to go out of their way to make their partner happy. They may be willing to compromise and work towards finding solutions that benefit both parties. Libras can be spontaneous and enjoy trying new things. They may be open to trying new activities or exploring new places, and they may appreciate a partner who is open to new experiences as well. Libras are known for their ability to see the big picture and may be able to offer valuable perspective on various issues. They may be good at helping their partner see things from different angles. Libras value harmony and may be willing to work towards resolving conflicts in a constructive way. It may be helpful to approach conflicts with an open mind and a willingness to listen to and understand the other person's perspective. Overall, dating a Libra can be a rewarding and harmonious experience. By understanding and respecting their need for balance and fairness, and by being patient and supportive when they are indecisive, you can have a happy and fulfilling relationship with a Libra. Thanks for watching. We hope you have taught yourself something. Please like and subscribe for more ways to teach yourself something.